I have for sale a McCulloch ProMax 700 chainsaw. This is a very powerful saw, capable of running a lot longer bar than this 16-inch bar. The auction price will include this 16-inch bar and chain. I will have available a 20 or a 28 for extra money. Buyers should let me know before completing the checkout. Both the other bars, the 20 and the 28, will be used bars and chains, but they'll be in good condition. First, let me note, this saw is missing the spring that goes here on the brake arm. Everything else is functional and in good shape. The brake band's in good shape, the lever's here. There's no cracks in this housing, no crack in the arm. I just have it tied out of the way so the brake band doesn't wear on the drum. But again, all it needs is a brake spring, and this would be functional. If I had one, I'd put it on here. There's no cracks in the housing anywhere. The sawdust screen is chipped a little bit in places. You see that a lot on these saws. The decompression switch works good, choke works, operator presence lever works, throttle lock works good. Air filter's in good shape on this saw. Air box is clean. Fuel line and fuel filter looked okay. You can see a little bit of wear on the foam padding here on the handle, but it's not bad. It's overall in good shape. I think I'll go ahead and start it now and show you how easy the saw starts. The saw seems to be set up for oiling a much longer bar and chain. May need to be turned down if it's going to be used on a short bar and chain like this one. Anyway, good luck bidding.